What is up, everybody? How's it going? So we made this video a couple months ago about the R7, and it's coming. Obviously, it was pretty well known that it was going to, but as of today, if you follow the Yamaha Motor USA, or I'm assuming Yamaha in general on Instagram, it has been the day of the R7, and also the little scoot, which I'm going to put a picture in here because I think it's kind of hilarious. I would never buy one, but like, it is what it is. If you're looking for a scooter, that's your own thing. I don't know, but the R7. So we knew it was coming. It's probably pretty well a for sure thing at this point, especially with how much that they've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts today, 1 video, 4 posts of pictures, things about, and I don't hate it. I do hate the fact that it's an R7. Like, if you're gonna get rid of the R6, at least, make it, I don't know, change it a little bit. Like having the MT-07 with a fairinged body, I don't get it. I understand the 600 class is kind of falling away. Most people are going, smaller or bigger, and the 600 is just kind of the track kind of space now. I don't know. But I would never buy one. That's just me because I'm fully into the super nakeds and everything now. But there are some things I actually do like. And I'm going to preface this as saying they are probably options, and I don't, obviously this is probably not what everyone's going to get as a out-of-the-box bike. But the blinkers, I really like the blinkers. They're small enough. They're not big and bulby like a lot of the stock blinkers are. Again, that could be an option. I do not know. So we're just going to go with saying that I actually like them. I do like the fact, too, that the rear brake reservoir is outside, not tucked underneath the tail, because those are always hilariously hard to find, especially like on my bike where it is. It's just stupid to get to. The tidy tuck, or a tidy tail, I'm assuming, again, that that's got to be an option, because there's no way that a bike comes with something that actually looks like that and works well. It's probably still too big for a lot of people, and you can definitely tell that you can get a smaller, or there's definitely going to be a smaller version of it made, but for being a stock one, that actually doesn't look bad. There's a shitload of reflectors on it, though, and those are probably going to have to go, but the blinker placement, the fact that it's not a foot long and sticking out, I actually kind of like it. Come in the 2 pictures that they show, the black and the blue. Personally, I kind of like the black. I mean, Yamaha blue is always nice, but I like the black. It's got the new generation styling with the open back tail, the like one center brake light up the middle, more aggressive, more sharp lines. I don't hate it. The blinkers or not blinkers, the oh god, what's the word I'm looking for? Rear view mirrors. On the front, I always hate, because if you replace them, then you have to get block offs, and they're weird. They're never, stock mirrors are never good, so those are going to be the first thing to go, and then you just have this weird like plate on the front of the fairing. It is what it is. I do like the 2 side headlights. I absolutely hate the center headlight. I think it just looks stupid. If you're gonna have the 2 side ones, just make them bright. Why have a center one? It looks like a Cyclops. I don't know. And again, it's just weird now that the R1's gonna be your 4-cylinder, your R3 is gonna be your single, I think, and now you got the middle ground, which is a twin, and it's a 699cc, so it's not even like a big bike. It's not really all that much more powerful than the R6 was. It's probably going to be slower because it's got the twin, so it's not going to have the top end. I don't know. Tell me your opinions, but tell me your opinions. Do you think this is a good idea for Yamaha to make an R7, or should they just keep the R6 or get rid of that middle class in general? Are you planning on buying one? As I've heard, or as I've seen, all of the pre-orders for these bikes are gone. As far as right now, I don't know if that's like 200 of them or 20,000. Who knows? But apparently they're popular or going to be popular. But I don't know. I'd rather, personally, if I was going to get the twin, I'd rather just have the MT-07 and just have the ease of use and the better seating position, or more comfortable seating position. But again, tell me down below. I'm going to put the pictures in through here, obviously, so you can see what I was talking about, because I'm looking at them while I'm talking to you, so I can remember what I was thinking of. And yeah, comment down below. Tell me, are you going to get one? Do you like it? What color would you get? Do you hate it? And do you wish the R6 would just be, you know, forever the R6? And I'll see y'all later. Peace.